In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make peel-away notepads using Canva, sell on Etsy. We'll build a clean, printable notepad layout you can customize for different niches and package for your shop. First, open Canva and choose Create a Design, then Custom Size. Enter the exact dimensions you want for your notepad. You can work in inches or pixels, for example. 5 by 7 inches or 2550 by 5400 pixels if you prefer working at high resolution. Pick portrait or landscape, based on how you want the pad to be used. Before you begin, leave a little breathing room at the top edge where glue binding will sit and keep important elements away from the very edges for a tidy print. Next, let's add your branding. Upload your own logo or choose a graphic from Canva's Elements library that fits your theme. Then insert text boxes for the notepad title or a small tagline, and, if you like, customize the font, size, and color to match your brand. Aim for clear, readable fonts and strong contrast, so your design looks crisp when printed. Now create the writing lines. Go to Elements and search for line. Drag a simple line onto your canvas, then adjust its thickness, color, and length to fit your page width and style. A mid-fade gray often looks softer on paper than pure black. Duplicate the line to fill the page. With all lines selected, use position and then tidy up to space them evenly and align them perfectly. If you want to keep them together as you move things around, group the lines once you are happy with the spacing. When your first page looks exactly right, use the duplicate page button in Canva to create as many pages as you need. Think in terms of a full notepad. Like 50 sheets. Duplicating ensures every page is consistent without having to rebuild anything. To export, click Share, then Download. Choose PDF Print for the best quality output. If you see the option, select Flatten PDF to lock in fonts and elements so everything prints as expected. Decide whether you want to download all pages or a specific range, and click Download. Your file is now ready for printing or to include in your Etsy listing as a production. Ready design. That's it. Thanks for watching.